How to lower blood sugar without exercise. Welcome to another episode of SugarMD, the show that is sweet for your health. In today's episode, we are going to talk about a topic that many people struggle with: high blood sugar. Who am I? Who the hell am I? Well, I am Dr. Ahmet Ergin. A lot of you are seeing me as a patient in my clinic. However, I would say 99% of you are a fan through YouTube or Facebook and whatnot, or through my books. So I'm Dr. Ahmet Ergin, a diabetologist and endocrinologist, and I'm here and happy to help you. Let's get into it. So for those who don't know, high blood sugar can lead to some serious health problems. Well, watch out. We have got some unconventional tips on how you can actually lower your blood sugar without even breaking a sweat. Most of people think that, oh, I don't exercise, of course my blood sugar is high, I don't have time. Okay, I heard enough of it from you guys. So now I came up with this idea of, if you are 100% sure that you're not gonna move that booty, what are we gonna do with you? Well, I'm not gonna fire you, right? I have to do something. Here's an idea. The first thing we need to address is, of course, your diet. Well, you might think that the only way to lower your blood sugar is to munch on some bland rabbit food, but I'm here to debunk that myth. Let's start with a little magic ingredient called berberine. Well, it comes from a plant, right? A lot of people take it as a supplement, but this is actually a plant product. It's been used centuries in traditional Chinese medicine, and guess what? It is a natural blood sugar terminator. So add some berberine to your diet and you'll be saying hasta la vista, baby, to high blood sugar levels. Next on our list of high blood sugar busters are two real heavy hitters: benfotiamine and alpha-lipoic acid. Now, benfotiamine is like the Bruce Willis of B vitamins. It is tough on high blood sugar, and I ain't afraid of no complications. It helps to prevent sugar buildup in the cells, keeps your kidneys and heart healthy, and your nerves calm. On the other hand, alpha-lipoic acid, or ALA for the cool kids, the antioxidants of antioxidants, like the James Bond of the blood sugar regulation. It is smooth, it is powerful, and it fights off harmful free radicals while reducing the inflammation caused by diabetes and improving the insulin resistance. Now, when benfotiamine and alpha-lipoic acid join forces, man, they are unstoppable. But remember, folks, these aren't your everyday grocery store items. You can find these and other blood sugar busting supplements at our one-stop shop, sugarmds.com or sugarmds.com. Now, we are at SugarMD. We are all about helping you live your sweetest, healthiest life. If you're looking for a quality supplement, that's where you go. If you're looking for something cheap, you're going to CVS, Walgreens, or GNC or whatnot. So, next on the menu, we have got a protein-packed breakfast. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not asking you to devour a dozen eggs like you're preparing for a Rocky Balboa style workout, but starting your day with a high-protein meal can significantly slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. A common answer from my diabetics who are uncontrolled is, I don't eat breakfast. Clearly, you should, right? It's like hiring a bouncer for your bloodstream who says, sorry, sugar, you're not on the list. Move along. Next up on the list here is my secret weapon. It's called, well, weapons. Chia seeds and flax seeds. These tiny powerhouses are packed with fiber that slows down the absorption of sugar into your blood. So why not sprinkle some on your yogurt, toast them in your salad, or blend them in a smoothie? Yeah, I'm sure your blood sugars will thank you. Let's not forget the magic potion called apple cider vinegar. It's like your blood sugar's own personal Gandalf, helping you keep those pesky glucose spikes at bay. just a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water before meals or in your salad. Why not have a salad every meal, right? That's what I do. Every meal, I have a salad with apple cider vinegar and lemon juice in that salad every freaking time. Now, imagine a world where skipping dinner is a good thing. That sounds crazy, right? That's my next tip. But hear me out. Eating very little or not eating dinner at all can be beneficial for your blood sugar levels. Not just beneficial, probably will be miraculous. It is a part of what we call intermittent fasting. By giving your body a longer break between meals, you're allowing it to use up the sugar in your blood rather than constantly topping it up. Now, this method is like taking your pancreas on a well-deserved vacation. But before you jump on this bandwagon, remember, always to consult with a healthcare professional. Like if you're on insulin or sulfonylurea, you may get into severely low blood sugars, so be careful. Let's talk about also a sci-fi worthy tool that is actually real, and it's called Continuous Glucose Monitor, or CGM. Now, this isn't a prop from Star Trek, but it's actually a device that helps you understand how food affects your blood sugar levels in real time. Like you could be eating a kale salad or Krispy Kreme, and your CGM will be there, tracking your blood sugar response. So what happens when you eat kale? What happens when you eat a donut, right? Now, companies like Freestyle Libre and Dexcom are leading the way in this futuristic technology. Imagine this like you're enjoying a hefty slice of cheesecake and your CGM starts beeping, yelling at you about the incoming sugar tsunami. Isn't that incredibly cool? No exercise needed, just a little bit of high-tech help. Now, remember guys, a lot of you complain about, oh, this doesn't last, this doesn't stick. There's a lot of tricks you can do about this. You can put a Tegaderm on your skin, for example, and apply that CGM on top of it. And if your CGM fails before 14 days for Libre or before 10 days for Dexcom, all you have to do is call them and say, hey, hello, be very nice to them. They are there to help you. Don't yell at them. Tell them, hey, look, that thing doesn't work for me. Would you mind be nice and send me another one, and I'll send this one to you. And that way I don't have to waste my money. And guess what? They will help you. They will send you a replacement for either Dexcom or Libre, and you'll be a happy camper. So it's not your fault that they fail. This technology, everything fails, right? But they are there to help you to take care of their customers. Next up, we have a secret weapon from our very own SugarMD labs. Yeah, we call this Gluco Defense. It's like a superhero for your pancreas, helping your body maintain a healthy blood sugar level. Now, we are not saying it is the Avengers, okay? Now, some people thought that SugarMD Advanced Glucose Support was the Avengers. That's gone. Now, we have the Gluco Defense because after hearing all the feedback from everyone, we decided to come up with something more gentle, more affordable. It's going to still help you, just you have to be patient. For those who used to take advanced glucose support who got the results fairly quickly, with the Gluco Defense, it's more gentle. You have to give 6 to 8 weeks for it to work, and you will see on your A1C, I promise. With the help of these diet tips and exercise, everything, you will be great at the end of 2 to 3 months when you check your A1C again. Let's not forget about the Benfotiamine. This fat-soluble form of B1 does not have a fancy name. It is important. It does a lot of heavy lifting in the fight against high blood sugar. It helps your body use glucose more effectively, which puts less strain on your pancreas. So if you are combining alpha-lipoic acid, benfotiamine, Gluco Defense, and super berberine from our website, you will be unstoppable. So next time you're at the supermarket, why not swap out that box of sugary cereal for some benfotiamine or some thiamine-enriched foods, right? I know supplements are great, but you have to also get your diet together. And remember, folks, Knowledge is power. So make sure you are tuning into our SugarMD YouTube videos daily. We are set for repetition. If you don't repeat, you're not going to remember. So it is better to watch at least a video to remind yourself how to do things right. We have got a ton of useful tips, delicious diabetic friendly recipes, and the latest news from the world of diabetes management. We have a new book just for diabetic diet. It's called Doctor's Guide to Diabetic Diet. So go to sugarmds.com and download that book. We have the app, SugarMD app. Now it is a social app. You can go there, post photos, post ideas, and discuss to your friends who are also diabetic, and make it a little club you can also use for monitoring your blood sugar levels and sharing your data with your doctor. Remember that, the path to good health doesn't always have to run through a gym. If you cannot go to gym, if you cannot exercise, these simple tips that I have given you can still help. It is as simple as changing what is on your plate and getting a little help from cutting-edge technology. Remember, you've got this. I'll catch you on the next episode at SugarMD, where sweetness and health go hand in hand. Remember, folks, at SugarMD, we are all about making healthy choices taste like a party in your mouth. Stay tuned for more sweet health tips. Talk to you later. Remember to subscribe, share, and like this video. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this channel so far, and I hope you subscribed already. If you didn't, do it. And if you did, watch this video right there. I think that will help you too.